Hello fish fools, Jeff here. So check this out. Got a Platy Fry. Yesterday was the first time I noticed any. It's probably about, I'd say, a couple weeks old. But I did not see any when they were first born. That's one of two that I've been able to find. There's the other one back there. See, these are the first platies that I've noticed born in this 40-gallon tank. And I'm hoping to get some from this blue platy. She's looking beefy and ready to blow. I want to get some. Love to have some blue platies. There's already been a couple guppies, some guppies born. Let's see if I can find any guppy fry. There's one. Yeah. So excited to have some Platy Fry in here to go along with the guppy fry. And even look at this, the Anubias is recovering. Anubias nana growing some new leaves. And then if we jump over here to this other 40-gallon, I just saw the guppy today. Haven't seen this since the day I put it in the tank. It's not really looking too good, but I was happy to see it. Because it just disappeared and I haven't seen it and I thought it died. That's a guppy antler hybrid from my wild guppy, my 3.5-gallon tank that has wild guppy and lime green antler hybrids. When I was gathering some snails to put in here after it was set up, I happened to catch that guppy, so I just tossed it in here. And check this out right here. So that is a water lily bulb. There's one of a couple of the black neon tetras. Those are the first fish that I put in here when I set up the tank. And yeah, so that's one of the, it's a water lily, one of the bulbs that came in the pack of Aquarium aquatic plant bulbs from Petco or PetSmart. So just noticed growth from it yesterday, so pretty sweet. I had one in the other 40-gallon, but no growth from that one, so yeah, it's cool to see if I can get some growth there. And let's check something else out. Here is the Pygmy Quarry Fry. So I haven't showed an update on these. This is the last one left, unfortunately. So my Pygmy Quarries spawned and I gathered 8 eggs that I put in here. They all hatched, but 3 weeks later, this is the only one that is still alive. And I just put some Rapashi food around it. First time trying to feed him that. I started with the Cory first bites and then some Cobalt Smartemia. That's some Rapashi food there. I've been meaning to feed it some live baby brine shrimp, but I haven't had a chance to try to hatch some of those, but yeah, you can see there's that growth and there's color. So I'm thinking I might move it I think it's still too small to put in with other fish like here. I think it would get eaten. But I might put it in my 20-gallon long aquarium that is just set up that doesn't have any fish in it. My only concern is that if I put it in there, I just won't find it. So I'm kind of a little reluctant to do that. But maybe it grows a little more. Alright, now let's check something else out. Here's the 84-gallon tank. 6 feet long, 84 gallons. This is the tank I've been talking about. This is the one I've wanted for years. And now I finally have it. So I'll be setting this up soon, but fortunately work interferes. But that just leaves the anticipation. Alright. Well, that's all the updates for now. And remember, I'm Jeff, and I enjoy fishies. Thanks for watching.